How the automated machine sifts the gold while you sleep. The 150-day email sieve. If you want to learn, if you're in affiliate marketing, networking, digital marketing, and you want to retire from your job in 2026, this is the video you want to watch. So stay to the end, alright? Let's go! So, what is a 150-day email sieve? A 150-day email sieve is an automated follow-up sequence designed to build know, like, and trust on autopilot. By using the system with the HBA 80% residual commission plan, marketers could automate the sifting process of leads. The core advantage for Team Freedom Warriors is the live daily support. A top 6 owner provides live daily training Monday through Friday, helping members build, get this, their primary business and their team's business through a done-for-you duplication model. Why the 150-day email sieve is a strategic pivot point for your freedom. The 150-day email sieve, how the, I'm missing something. The 150-day email sieve, how the automated sifts the gold while you sleep. Okay. The reason the 150-day email sieve is the ultimate pivot point for your freedom is that it removes the human error of quitting. Most people fail because they're minors, because constantly chasing the next sale. As an experienced SEO marketing veteran based in Reno, I know the real wealth is in the list. The sieve ensures you are building the asset that you own. Even if a prospect doesn't join the HBA 80% residual commission plan on day one, they are in your sieve. Over 150 days, the machine builds the trust necessary to close the sale later while you outlive your life. Okay. Now, why I'm reading this blog is blogs are slept on. They're the best way to get traffic. So I'm basing everything around my blog, and if something's working, and I'll show you proof that it is working, okay? If you stay with me, why won't you double down on it? So if you ever been on searched on YouTube for a certain term, it could be anything, like you're interested in this one rug, okay? They're going to start showing you, or a lotion or a potion, like a deodorant or whatever, or a cologne. They're going to start showing you those ads on YouTube, okay? And you were on Google, okay, or your favorite search engine. So that's proof they're listening. They're listening to what you say. So not only am I writing the words, but I'm using the same reading the words, so I'm doubling the SEO, okay? So I'm compounding like a snowball going downhill, okay? The reason 150-day email sieve is the ultimate pivot point for your freedom is that it removes the human error of quitting. Most people fail because they're minors, constantly chasing the sale. I think I already said that. I know, as an experienced SEO marketing veteran based in Reno, I know the real wealth is in the list. You ever heard the money term, the money's in the list? The sieve ensures you're building an asset that you own. Even if a prospect doesn't join the HBA Okay, I think I already read this. How the 150-day email sieve leverages top earner live training. The most powerful part of the 150-day sieve isn't just the emails, it's where the emails lead. When someone joins your sieve, they don't just get software. They get live Monday through Friday training from a top 6 earner in multiple programs. This isn't recorded fluff. This is an elite marketer who has conquered multiple programs, training your people and their people on how to build any business they choose. We lead with the HBA 80% residual commission plan to fund your life, but the live training ensures your team stays, grows, and duplicates. So that just plug your people in and we'll train them for you, okay? Including live, okay? We have recorded and live training. So like Netflix. Who the 150-day email sieve and live training is for? The 150-day email sieve is for the entrepreneur who wants to be the authority without needing to be the expert yet. It's for the person who wants to lead with the HBA 80% residual commission plan as a front-end engine, knowing that a top 6 earner is waiting on the back end to train their team. Okay? It's for those tired of rented land, social media, who want to build own land, their list, while elite mentor handles the daily leadership and technical builds for their downline. Okay? So all the stress. Do you want to be questioned over and over again, the same questions over and over again, and be training people instead of building your business? No. So that our team leader has been a team top 600 from multiple programs. He'll train your people and their people. Okay. My team, Team Freedom Warriors, uses 150-day sieve because it allows for the true proxy leadership. You don't have to worry about how to train your new partners because the top 600 does it for you live every single weekday. Whether they're building HBA or separate primary business, the training covers it all. By plugging people into the HBA 80% residual commission plan, you secure residuals, so monthly income, and by plugging them into the live daily training, you secure your freedom. We build the funnels, the top 6 earner builds the people, and the sieve builds the list. So this little device right here, most people are watching cat videos or watching Netflix on it, or Hulu, or whatever, or watching music videos. Otherwise, you can earn from it. Okay, you have residual bills. Why wouldn't you get residual income? How the 150-day email seed protects your primary business. Most people kill their primary business by not having a follow-up system. The 150-day email seed protects your interest by keeping your leads engaged for 5 months. They'll know, like, and trust you, not a company, because we have a top 6 owner. You're not building your company's list. You're building your own. We have a top 6 owner who's doing the done-for-you training on the back end. Your recruits are 10 times more likely to stay and produce. They get their own customized funnels and their own 150-day sequences. This creates a sticky environment where the HBA 80% residual commission plan provides the immediate cash flow needed to keep their primary business alive until it explodes. Frequent asked questions about the 150-day email sieve and training. Do I have to train the people who join my 150-day email sieve? No, that is the secret weapon of our system. When someone joins the HBA 80% residual commission plan through your Sieve, they get access to a top 6 owner who trains them live Monday through Friday. They help your people build their business, their team's business, and even their team's business. Does a 150-day email Sieve help with my primary business? Absolutely. The Sieve builds a know, like, and trust factor. Once that trust is established and they see the top 6 earner training in action, they will naturally follow you into your primary business. We provide the infrastructure, you provide a link, or you combine the two, okay? Again, we do the hard work for you, and I'm not making any income claims. I have made money with this. I'm making not instant commissions straight to my bank account every single week. Once you set it up once, you get paid over and over again, okay? And if you join all 3 residual levels, I will build your traffic for you. I'll help you build your list on autopilot, okay? Not saying don't do anything, but I will be putting more and more traffic as I get more and more people. I'll be putting them into and building your primary business, okay? Or building HBA or whatever you want to promote on the front end, okay? So you combine the two, whatever your primary business is, and we'll train your people for you. Sound good? Okay, I want to show you results real quick. So you say this isn't just me. Okay, you see how this is incognito? This is YouTube. This is my most recent video. And it ranked 32 hours before the ranked video was even live, okay? Ranked number 1 for YouTube and Google. Now see, this is an ad. It does not count. And let's go to here, right? I see is number 1 on Google for my YouTube videos. Number 1 on Google. And the video. And I have, sorry, there should be another thing. A post on Instagram, okay? Just a regular social post on Instagram. That's the power of the system, okay? That's the power of the training. We're not scared to teach you what actually works, what other people won't teach you, or they're scared to teach you, or they don't know, okay? Like how to blog, okay? And when you join, okay, this right here, it tells you rank math. I go to rank math, right? It tells you exactly what is wrong with your posts. These are all green, right? There's 3 errors that I can fix. These red things, so I need to add an image with your focus keyword to alt text. So we're going to go do that real quick. So I'll show you what I mean. Okay. Replace. Math retires you. Okay, so yeah, all this stuff is not set in. Okay. So copy. We're going to check it real quick. Rank math. Make sure we're good. The 150-day email save. Okay. So we're going to copy. We're going to work hard, not smart. Smart, not hard. Sorry, backwards. All right. Now we're going to edit the post. Okay. Edit the snip. Go right here. Right here. And we're going to save. Why isn't it doing? It should be already there. Oh, that's this one. Okay. What? Post. replace. Okay. Now we're going to change all this. Paste. Okay, so now we're going to set featured image. Now we're going to check it. And I think it went up. So we're going to go to the rank math. And it's not there anymore. Okay. So that's how you do it. And then I publish. Okay, if you want to learn the best training methods, if you want to learn how to get duplicated bonuses, the best training, the best system, and the best team in HBA, you want to join me, okay? Team Freedom Warriors, we have the best bonuses, and you can give your bonuses away as your own, and that your people can give them away as their own, okay? And we'll train your people and help you build your primary business live Monday through Friday. If that sounds good to you, join me. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Copy. All right. Okay, I guess I'm still recording.